Heal your kidneys while you sleep, 11 effective bedtime drinks. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're uncovering a natural and effective way to support your kidney health while you sleep. We'll explore 11 incredible bedtime drinks that can help heal your kidneys overnight. These drinks are not only easy to prepare, but also packed with nutrients that promote kidney health and overall well-being. Curious about how these bedtime beverages can benefit you? Stick around to find out. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our health tips and updates. 1. Cranberry juice. Drinking cranberry juice before bedtime can significantly benefit kidney health. Cranberry juice is rich in antioxidants, particularly proanthocyanidins, which prevent harmful bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of infections that can burden the kidneys. Its natural diuretic properties promote increased urine production, aiding in the effective flushing out of toxins and waste from the kidneys. Cranberry juice also helps prevent the formation of kidney stones by inhibiting the crystallization of certain minerals. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation in the kidneys, protecting against damage. Regular consumption of cranberry juice can support the kidney's natural detoxification processes, enhance protection against infections and stones, and promote overall renal health, making it a valuable addition to your nightly routine. 2. Lemon water. Drinking lemon water before bedtime can be highly beneficial for kidney health. The citric acid in lemons helps dissolve and prevent kidney stones by increasing urine citrate levels, which counteracts stone formation. Lemon water's natural diuretic properties promote increased urine production, aiding in the effective flushing of toxins and waste from the kidneys. The high vitamin C content in lemons acts as an antioxidant, protecting kidney cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, lemon water helps maintain proper hydration, crucial for optimal kidney function. Its alkalizing effect balances the body's pH, reducing the burden on the kidneys. Incorporating lemon water into your nightly routine supports detoxification, enhances protection against kidney damage, and promotes overall renal health, allowing your kidneys to function efficiently while you sleep. 3. Herbal teas. Most herbal teas are caffeine-free, making them less likely to dehydrate you. Staying hydrated is essential for kidney function, as the kidneys filter waste products from the blood more efficiently when you're well hydrated. Herbal teas such as dandelion tea and hibiscus tea can be particularly beneficial. Dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine output and helping to flush out toxins from the kidneys. Hibiscus tea contains compounds that may help lower blood pressure, a risk factor for kidney disease. 4. Turmeric milk. Drinking turmeric milk before bedtime can significantly benefit kidney health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, protecting them from damage. The milk in the beverage enhances curcumin absorption, maximizing its health benefits. Turmeric milk also promotes detoxification by supporting the liver's ability to filter and remove toxins, indirectly benefiting kidney function. Additionally, turmeric milk has natural diuretic properties, aiding in increased urine production and efficient elimination of waste from the kidneys. Its calming effects can improve sleep quality, allowing your body, including your kidneys, to repair and regenerate overnight. Incorporating turmeric milk into your nightly routine supports kidney health, enhances detoxification processes, and promotes overall renal function and well-being. 5. Tart cherry juice. Drinking tart cherry juice before bedtime can significantly benefit kidney health due to its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, tart cherry juice helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting kidney cells from damage. Its natural melatonin content promotes better sleep, which is crucial for the body's healing processes, including the kidneys. Additionally, tart cherry juice has natural diuretic effects, increasing urine production and aiding in the efficient removal of toxins and waste from the kidneys. It also helps in reducing uric acid levels, preventing the formation of kidney stones. By incorporating tart cherry juice into your nightly routine, you support your kidneys' detoxification processes, enhance their protection against oxidative stress, and promote overall kidney health while you rest. 6. Apple cider. Vinegar. Drinking apple cider vinegar, ACV, before bedtime can support kidney health through its detoxifying and alkalizing properties. ACV helps balance the body's pH levels, reducing the risk of kidney stones by preventing the formation of acidic crystals. Its natural diuretic effect promotes increased urine production, aiding in the efficient removal of toxins and waste from the kidneys. The acetic acid in ACV has antioxidant properties that protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, common contributors to kidney damage. Additionally, ACV helps regulate blood sugar and blood pressure levels, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Incorporating a diluted dose of ACV into your nightly routine can enhance your kidneys' detoxification processes, protect against potential damage, and promote overall renal health while you sleep. 7. Watermelon juice. Drinking watermelon juice before bedtime can greatly benefit kidney health due to its hydrating and detoxifying properties. Watermelon juice is rich in antioxidants like lycopene, which combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, protecting kidney cells from damage. Its high water content increases urine production, aiding in the efficient flushing out of toxins and preventing kidney stone formation. Watermelon also contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, a crucial factor for maintaining healthy kidneys. Additionally, its natural diuretic properties enhance the kidney's ability to cleanse themselves overnight. Consuming watermelon juice before bed ensures you stay hydrated, supports detoxification processes, and promotes overall kidney health, allowing your kidneys to function optimally and protect against damage while you sleep. 8. Beet juice. Drinking beet juice before bedtime can be highly beneficial for kidney health. Beet juice is rich in nitrates, which improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the kidneys, enhancing their function. The antioxidants in beets, such as betaine, help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting kidney cells from damage. Beet juice also promotes detoxification, aiding in the elimination of toxins and reducing the burden on the kidneys while you sleep. Its natural diuretic properties increase urine production, facilitating the removal of waste and preventing kidney stone formation. Additionally, beet juice helps lower blood pressure, a key factor in maintaining kidney health. By incorporating beet juice into your nightly routine, you support your kidneys' detoxification processes, protect them from damage, and promote overall renal health. 9. Coconut water. Drinking coconut water before bedtime offers significant benefits for kidney health. Its high potassium content helps maintain electrolyte balance, regulate blood pressure, and reduce the strain on the kidneys. As a natural diuretic, coconut water promotes increased urine production, aiding in the efficient elimination of toxins and waste. This nightly detoxification process helps prevent kidney stone formation and supports overall renal function. Coconut water is also rich in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and protect kidney cells from damage. Additionally, it hydrates the body effectively, ensuring the kidneys function optimally during the night. By incorporating coconut water into your bedtime routine, you enhance your kidneys' ability to detoxify, protect against potential damage, and maintain a healthy fluid balance, contributing to improved kidney health. 10. Ginger tea. Drinking ginger tea before bedtime can significantly support kidney health through its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, common contributors to kidney damage. Consuming ginger tea at night aids in detoxification by promoting the elimination of toxins from the kidneys while you sleep. Its natural diuretic properties increase urine production, helping flush out waste products more effectively. Ginger tea also improves blood circulation, ensuring the kidneys receive sufficient oxygen and nutrients for optimal function. Additionally, its soothing effects can enhance relaxation and sleep quality, indirectly benefiting overall kidney health. By incorporating ginger tea into your nightly routine, you support your kidneys' natural healing processes, protect against damage, and promote efficient renal function. 11. Carrot juice. Drinking carrot juice before bedtime can significantly benefit kidney health due to its rich nutrient profile. Carrot juice is loaded with antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. This vitamin aids in repairing and maintaining kidney tissues. The antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, common factors in kidney damage. Carrot juice also has natural diuretic properties, increasing urine production and promoting the efficient elimination of toxins from the kidneys while you sleep. Additionally, its high potassium content helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure, essential for optimal kidney function. By consuming carrot juice before bedtime, you support your kidneys' detoxification processes overnight, enhance their efficiency, and contribute to overall renal health, making it a powerful nightly ritual for kidney care. Remember, while these drinks can support kidney health, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Now that you know these 11 effective bedtime drinks, you have the power to support your kidney health naturally and effortlessly. Remember, incorporating these beverages into your nightly routine can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our health tips and updates. Have you tried any of these drinks before? Let us know in the comments below which one you'll be adding to your bedtime routine. Here's to healthier kidneys and a better night's sleep. Thank you for watching.